Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometric ratio. We use two identities. One is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Prove that cosecant A minus sin A is equal to cot A into cos A. And secant square B can be written as 1 plus tan square. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. We'll arrive at the RHS. Prove that 1 plus cot A the whole square plus 1 minus cot A the whole square as 2 cosecant square A. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometric ratios. So we'll solve the problems of exercise 13.2. Prove the following 2 mark questions. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin square theta equal to 1. So take LHS. In LHS we have 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin square theta. Now all of you know 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. You know that reciprocal of cos is what? Secant. So instead of secant you can write 1 by cos square theta into we have cos square theta. Now cos square theta cancels. We have 1, that is RHS. Now we got the value of what? RHS. So we use two identities. One is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. The other one is 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta. Next we have prove that secant A minus cos A is equal to secant tan A into sin A. So we'll take LHS. LHS is secant A minus cos A. What is secant A? Secant can be written as 1 by cos. So let us write 1 by cos A minus cos A. Now take LCM. What is the LCM for 1 by cos A and cos A? LCM is cos A. Now numerator 1 minus cos A into cos A becomes cos square A. So all of you know cos 1 minus, so now we have 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. So now we are left out with 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. All of you know 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta. Using the identity 1 minus cos square A can be written as sin square A divided by we have cos A. Now observe the RHS. In RHS they want tan A into sin A. So that's why I'll split it as sin A. Sin square A numerator, can I write it as sin A into sin A? All of you know A square can be written as A into A. Similarly sin square A can be written as sin A into sin A divided by cos A. So sin A by cos A is what? Tan A. Sin by cos is tan A and remaining part is what? Sin A. Tan A into sin A will get, this is RHS. So we got the RHS. RHS is what? Tan A into sin A. Then prove that cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square equal to 2. So take LHS. What is there in left hand side? We have cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square. Now apply A plus B the whole square. All of you know A plus B the whole square is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, cos A plus sin A the whole square can be written as cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 times cos A into sin A. I am using A plus B the whole square formula. And in between we have plus, right plus. Then we have cos A minus sin A the whole square. What is cos A minus sin A the whole square? Cos A minus sin A the whole square is cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 cos A sin A. 2 cos A into sin A. So now, you know cos square A plus sin square A, I can write it as 1. You know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 identity. Plus 2 cos A sin A, let it be 2 cos A into sin A. Then plus again we have cos square A plus sin square A. Cos square A plus sin square A is again 1 minus 2 cos A into sin A. Now observe, positive cos A sin A and negative cos A sin A cancels. We are left out with 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 is what? RHS. So we got RHS. So we need to prove RHS. RHS is 2 and we got it. So now Prove that cosecant A minus sin A is equal to cot A into cos A. So now consider LHS. So LHS is exactly cosecant A minus sin A. You know, cosecant can be written as 1 by sin. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. So cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A minus sin A. Now take LCM. What is the LCM? LCM will be sin A. Numerator is 1 minus sin A into sin A. Sin A into sin A becomes sin square A. So I can write this as numerator is 1 minus sin square A divided by denominator sin A. So all of you know 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A divided by what? Sin A. Further we need cot A into cos A. So cos square A I can write it as cos A into cos A. And we have denominator sin A. Cos A by sin A. Cos by sin is cot A into what? Cos A. So we got cot A into cos A. They wanted to prove cot A into cos A. We got cot A into cos A. This is what? RHS. I hope all of you understood this. Now prove that tan square A plus secant square B is equal to secant square A plus tan square B. So now they want you to convert this. So take LHS. LHS is tan square A plus secant square B. So now convert tan to secant and secant to cot. Secant to tan, we have an identity. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Dear students, in spite of secant square, you can write 1 plus tan square. Similarly, in spite of tan square, you can write secant square minus 1 if you rearrange. So here I have tan square A. Tan square A can be written as secant square A minus 1 and secant square B can be written as 1 plus tan square B. 1 plus tan square B. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancels. I am left out with secant square A plus tan square B. Simple. So that's what we need. This is RHS. So what we have done here, see LHS is made up of tan square A. They want secant square A. So tan square can be written as secant square minus 1 and secant square B can be written as 1 plus tan square. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. We'll arrive at the RHS. Then we have prove that 1 plus cot A the whole square plus 1 minus cot A the whole square as 2 cosecant square A. So now we'll take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is 1 plus cot A the whole square plus 1 minus cot A the whole square. So apply A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then what is 1 minus cot A the whole square? 1 square plus cot square A minus 2 cot A. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A square plus B square minus 2AB. So now minus 2 cot A plus 2 cot A cancels. And we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. And cot square A plus cot square A. Cot square A plus cot square A can be written as 2 cot square A. Now in these two terms, we can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, we are left out with 1 plus cot square A. So now we have 2 into 1 plus cot square A. You know what is 1 plus cot square theta? 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. It will become 2 cosecant square A. So this is the RHS they want you to prove. We got it. Hence, this is the RHS. Hope all of you understood this. Next we have prove that 1 divided by secant A plus tan A is secant A minus tan A. So we'll take LHS. LHS is 1 by secant A plus tan A and rationalize. So I'll divide and multiply by secant A minus tan A. 1 by secant A plus tan A. So divide and multiply by what? Secant A minus tan A. Secant A minus tan A divided by secant A minus tan A. So numerator secant A minus tan A into 1 gives you secant A minus tan A. Denominator A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B can be written as A square minus B square. I can write it as secant square A minus tan square A because it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A can be written as secant square A minus tan square A. See here again, very important thing is, you know the identity 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, or or transfer tan to that side. So secant square theta minus tan square theta can be written as what? 1. So in spite of secant square theta minus tan square theta, we can write what? 1. Similarly, in denominator, secant square a minus tan square a, we can write it as 1. And numerator, let it be. Numerator is what? Secant a minus tan a. So we got RHS. So we got secant a minus tan a. This is the RHS, hence the proof. So we got this as RHS, hence the proof. I hope all of you got this. Then prove that tan a plus cot a is equal to secant a into cosecant a. So take LHS. What is LHS they give? Tan a plus cot a. So now tan a can be written as 1 by, so they want secant and cosecant. First convert tan and cot to sin and cos. So what we'll do, so we'll write it in a simple way. So I'll write tan a. Tan can be written as sin a by cos a plus cot can be written as cos a by sin a. Now take LCM. So LCM is what? Cos a and sin a. LCM is cos a into sin a. And cross multiply. Sin a into sin a is sin square a plus cos a into cos a is cos square a. Now simplify this. So numerator we have sin square a plus cos square a. What is sin square a plus cos square a? 1. So numerator becomes 1 and denominator we have cos a into sin a. So now split it. Can I write this as 1 by cos a separately into 1 by sin a? So you know that 1 by cos a is secant a. Reciprocal of cos is what? Secant. And similarly 1 by sin can be written as cosecant. So secant a into cosecant a. And this is the RHS, hence the proof. So dear students, first when you observe tan cot and right side product of secant cosecant, better convert it into sin and cos. You know that tan can be written as sin by cos, cot can be written as cos by sin. Take LCM. So for LCM for cos and sin is cos into sin, cross multiply. Sin into sin is sin square a, cos into cos is cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a becomes 1. 1 by cos a sin a. Split it, 1 by cos a into 1 by sin a. 1 by cos is secant and 1 by cosecant is 1 by sin is cosecant. We got the RHS. Hence the proof. Then further, prove the following. Express all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta and cot theta. Express all the trigonometric ratios. So see, everything we can write in terms of sin. Every term you can write in terms of cos. So now sin theta. So if I want, so now every term in terms of sin, cos theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, after cos, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So cos is in terms of sin, cosecant is in terms of sin, and tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by 1 minus, instead of cos theta I'll write 1 minus root of sin square theta. 1 minus root of sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. If I put root, it will become cos theta. Actually tan is what? Sin by cos. Instead of cos, I'll write root of 1 minus sin square. So I got cos, cosecant, tan. And similarly, if you want what is called as cos theta, we got cosecant theta, we got secant theta. Secant theta is what? Reciprocal of sin, reciprocal of cos. 1 by cos or 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. So like this, we see cos is in terms of sin, cosecant is in terms of sin, tan is in terms of sin, secant is also in terms of sin, all the trigonometric function, and cot. Cot means what? Reciprocal of tan. So reverse it. So root of 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Same task you can do for other trigonometric function, cos theta. So every function in terms of cos theta. First I'll write secant theta. What is secant? 1 by cos. Then I'll write sin theta. What is sin? Root of 1 minus cos square theta. So here also root of 1 minus sin square theta. Root of 1 minus cos square theta. And tan theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. So, but I want everything in terms of cos theta. So numerator, I'll write it as root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Then cot theta, reciprocal of it. Reciprocal of this, that is cos theta divided by root of 1 minus cos square theta. So secant, sin, tan, cot we have written. So all other trigonometric functions similarly you can write in terms of tan, secant, cosecant and cot. So please complete the remaining part, and this is that logic. So now I've done all the standard 2 markers. Please sit and revise and become thorough. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.